Jai Srimannarayana. 11th sloka of 7th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Balam balavatam chaham kamaraga vivarjitam dharma viruddho bhuteshu kamosmi bharatarshabha. Om. Your strength, your cravings, your attachments, your passion, your desire, everything is Sri Krishna's property. Make the best use of them. Apply your strength to protect Sanatana Dharma. Experience and enjoy all your strength, cravings, passion, desire in accordance with the religious scripture, that is Vedas. Do not misuse them. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall not misuse my strength, my cravings, my attachments, my desire. I shall definitely experience and enjoy all of them in accordance with the scriptures, that is Veda. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 10th Skandham Dasamaskandham 30th day, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, all the devatas praying to Srimannarayana who is there in the womb of Devaki Devi, praying like this: O the Supreme One, O the one who has divine lotus-like beautiful eyes. Tvatpadapotena mahatkrutena kurvanti govatsapadam bhavabdhim. The great enlightened acharyas, they take your divine feet for them to cross the samsara sagaram, and they pass down the same divine feet for their disciples for them to cross the samsara sagaram. Samsara means the thought process of thinking that body itself is Atma. And those who surrender to your feet, those who take your divine feet as their rescue, they will be easily crossing the ocean. How much ever they easily cross a footprint of a small calf, that much easily they are able to cross the samsara sagaram. Ho Pundarikaksha, Swayam Samuttirya Sudustaram Dyuman Bhavarnavam. You are like a kalpa vruksham, and you fulfill all wishes of all of your devotees, and you are always ready to do that. But there are some people, their mind will never engage on you. Erigina varala manuchunu koramaalina erukalu erigi kondaru nee peru erigiyunu talapagan vollaru paraturu adhogatula jadan padmadalaksha. Those whose mind is not engaged on you with their ego think that they can enlighten themselves with their own activities. They will not have any devotion on you. Because of that ahankaram, they will skip and they will slip and they will go down to bad lives. Because they are not taking your divine feet as their rescue, they fall down to all bad lives, bad births. Like that, Devatas are praying. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 7వ అధ్యాయము 11వ శ్లోకము. బలం బలవతాం చాహం కామరాగ వివర్జితం ధర్మావిరుద్ధో భూతేషు కామోస్మి భరతర్షభ. బలం బలవతాం చాహం కామరాగ వివర్జితం ధర్మావిరుద్ధో భూతేషు కామోస్మి భరతర్షభ. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.